In this session we're going to have a look at keywords. Now keywords are not only useful for keeping track of what particular projects you might have and what they're related to, but keywords can also be used in other things such as in CRM Haven to attach keywords to clients so that you can search for them as well. The same keywords are available for each, so you can use them across the system. Now the way that we manage the keywords is by clicking on the window menu and choosing database. When the window appears, make sure you click on the keyword tab up the top and you'll see any particular keywords and things you have there. So let me just go show all, so it'll look up on the system to find out what particular keywords we have, and it should come back and show us that we've got two keywords. There we are. We've got one which is called work and the other one which is called personal. Those are the ones which are set up by default on the system. And you can create as many different keywords as you want. To create a new keyword, you would come down here and click new, and then when the screen refreshes and sets up a new keyword, we can type whatever we want as the keyword in there. So if you wanted one to do with what's an example, computers, and we go update, that has now stored this new keyword which only you have access to, or only the members of this group have access to, and you're the only member of that particular group. Okay. Now if you did have lots of keywords in there, you can click on the find menu and either put in their ID or some text to do with a keyword and look up the text fields and find that keyword for you should you want to change them. Now keywords are actually static information, so when you add them to a client or to a project, it doesn't link back to this database here. It hard codes that text in with the project or with the client. That way if you go and change the keyword here, it won't change them elsewhere. You need to go through and find them and change them yourself on the projects and clients individually. But at least you can search by keywords and find them. If you want, you can put in notes down here to say what the keyword is, why you may have it and why it may be relevant. There's no reason why you can't have more than one word in the keyword. You can put as much text there as you want. Same with the notes, you can put as much text in there as you want. You can also change the group. If you are a member of multiple groups, you can change which group has access to this particular keyword. Okay, if you find that you don't like a keyword, you can always hide it, which means it remains on the system but it is not visible in normal lists. If you find that you really don't want to use that keyword anymore and want to get rid of it, you can delete this, go delete keyword. That will just delete this one keyword, in this case an ID 97. If instead you search for a whole lot of keywords and find them, and so you might have one of 10 showing up here, if you did delete selection, it would delete all 10 that you might have up there. So be careful using that delete selection in case you get remove keywords that you actually wanted. Now as I said, just because you change a keyword or delete a keyword, it doesn't change it in the other areas in the clients or the projects. Okay, so that's how you use keywords, and I hope they'll be useful for you. Thank you and goodbye.